Sorry, I didn't even record the first part. Hello guys, welcome. Checking out the new cosmetics on this new map that I've heard. Bigfoot Power! Just like 15 times already, and I didn't record. Weight, 50 pounds. Donut, pretty delicious. This jacket, you can juke people with, you go. Alright, I need to take off the donut. No, I'm going to burglar your house tonight. Hey, yo. And it's actually looks pretty funny. Like, pizza. Came out around lunchtime. My time. I haven't even eaten. I was about to say yes. The one thing I don't want to look at is these things. These things are ugly. Except the badge. Might be my new main badge. Okay. I'm gonna have to put this back on my card because something. Check out. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna check out the badge. Alright, this is my new badge. Yep. This is a cool badge. This is a new badge. This is really good. Better than other. I need to check out the new police costume. Alright, let's see the police costume. Oh my goodness, this is like a British police car. Hey mate, better have your car correctly next time, or I'm gonna give you a ticket, mate. You don't want to try me, mate. Alright. Check out this new map that I've heard of. Oh, the poppers. We gotta check out the poppers first. Gotta check out the poppers. What is going on in this map, bro? Oh, there's no. Oh, you can grab it from your back. I have to hold it down. Have it upside down. No, it's going up. That's cool. Can you put two on at a time? Oh! Then we got the other one. That's cool. And the green one. One of my favorite colors. Cool. Alright, time to go. Oh my goodness, the controller is so heavy. Alright, get off the poppers. Heard this new map, so let's go check it out. What the heck? These things don't even look that cool, actually. Oh my gosh, what's this? It's like a subway. Yo, what is this map? Oh my goodness. Yo, this is cool. This is like Subway Surfers. Bro, it looks like a London city though. Really cool new map. I feel like there's a lot more that I have not explored yet, so let's explore. What if you get up here? Building camper. Oh, you can come down here too. This is amazing. No, gorilla tip. Lotso from Toy Story 3. It's us. In a mean way. Yeah, I know. I'll watch the movie. Watch all the Toy Story movies. They're pretty good. Toy Story 4 was pretty good too. If you disagree, you have to subscribe. I mean, you cannot subscribe. I won't let you subscribe to my channel. Oh my goodness, this is the tallest building. I'm serious. There's a lot of juice you could do. Like, if people are ground camping, just come up to Subway Surfers area. The heck? Oh, they make sounds. That's cool. What did that sound? Is that Batman? Or something? It's playing heroic music. I don't know if it's copyright or not. Hopefully this isn't. Well, let's go check out the maps. This one is sick. Newest map's pretty cool. But like you go down a subway and then you... Oh yeah, it makes sense because Subway Surfers. Someone said Caves is old. And there's nothing new in there, so... I'm gonna go check out some maps. I'm not checking out Clouds, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, normal forest for the first time. In a long time, bro. I can still play this game. That's still my new favorite map. What is that? Oh. Oh no. Trying to figure out this shoot. Alright. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm sorry I didn't check out all the maps too. Bye.